every quarter. Warren Buffett's company, Berkshire Hathaway, files a document with the SEC. It's called a 13F filing, and it reveals exactly what stocks Buffett is buying and selling. Millions of investors follow these filings. Why? Because if you know what Buffett is buying, you can copy his trades, but most people read them wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you how to read a 13F filing like Warren Buffett and the 3 mistakes most people make. Let's start with the basics. What is a 13F filing? A 13F filing is a quarterly report that large investment managers must file with the SEC. It shows their stock holdings. Any investment manager with over $100 million in assets under management must file a 13F. That includes Berkshire Hathaway, hedge funds, and pension funds. They file 45 days after the quarter ends. So for Q1, you'll see the filing in mid-May. For Q4, it's mid-February. Important to know. 13F filings only show long positions. They don't show short sales, cash, or international holdings. The information is delayed. By the time you see the filing, 45 days have passed. Buffett could have bought or sold more since then. Even with the delay, 13F filings are valuable. They show you what the smartest investors are thinking. You can learn from their moves. You don't need to pay for 13F filings. They're free. Let me show you where to find them. First, the SEC EDGAR Database. This is the official source, free and reliable. You can search for any company's filings. Go to sec.gov, click on EDGAR, and search for Berkshire Hathaway. You'll see all their filings, including the 13F. Second, Nasdaq's 13F. It's more user-friendly than the SEC site. You can search by manager name or ticker symbol. Third, third-party sites like WhaleWisdom and Dataroma. They organize the data in easy-to-read tables. They even show changes from the previous quarter. I recommend WhaleWisdom. It's free. You can see Buffett's top holdings, new buys, and complete sells. Very easy to use. Now let's walk through a real 13F filing. Step by step. I'll use Berkshire Hathaway's latest filing as an example. Step 1. Go to sec.gov, search for Berkshire Hathaway, and filter by 13FHR. That's the quarterly report. Step 2. Open the primary document. It will be an XML or HTML file. Don't worry, it's easier than it looks. Step 3. Look for the information table. It lists all the stocks, tickers, number of shares, and market value. Each row shows a stock. The columns show the ticker symbol, number of shares owned, and the market value of those shares, compared with the previous quarter. Look for new holdings. These are stocks Buffett started buying. Look for added holdings. These are stocks Buffett already owned but bought more of. That shows confidence. Look for reduced holdings. Buffett sold some shares. That doesn't mean he hates the stock. He might be rebalancing. Look for sold out holdings. If a stock is completely gone, Buffett lost confidence or found a better opportunity. Pay attention to the top 10 holdings. Often, they make up 90% of the portfolio. Buffett's biggest bets are here. Don't copy blindly. Buffett might have bought a stock at a much lower price. Your situation is different. Do your own research. Use 13F filings to learn. Understand why Buffett buys certain companies. Apply those principles to your own investing. When you read Buffett's 13F, here are the 4 things to look for. 1. New, large positions. If Buffett buys a new stock and it becomes a top 10 holding, pay attention. He's very confident. 2. Consistent adding. If Buffett adds to a position every quarter, he loves the stock. He's building a big position over time. 3. What he's selling. If Buffett sells a large position, he's lost confidence. Find out why. 4. The top 10 holdings. These are Buffett's biggest bets. Apple is always number 1, but the others change over time. For example, Apple makes up over 40% of Berkshire's stock portfolio. That's Buffett's biggest bet by far. Other top holdings include Bank of America, American Express, and Coca-Cola. These are Buffett's long-term favorites. Remember, Buffett thinks in decades, not quarters. Don't overreact to 113F filing. Look at the trend over time. Most people make these 3 mistakes when reading 13F filings. Avoid them. Mistake 1. Copying blindly. Buffett's cost basis is different from yours. He might have bought Apple at $100. You'd be buying at $200. Mistake 2. Ignoring the 45-day delay. Buffett could have sold a stock after the quarter ended. The 13F won't show that. Mistake 3. Obsessing over small changes. A 1% change in a position might be rebalancing, not a signal. Focus on big moves. Don't trade based on 13Fs. By the time you see them, the market has already reacted. Use them to learn, not to trade. The most valuable thing isn't Buffett's trades, it's his mindset. Long-term thinking. Buying great companies. Ignoring the noise. Let's recap. 13F filings show what large investors like Warren Buffett are buying and selling. You can find them for free on the SEC's EDGAR Database. Read them to learn, not to copy. Understand why Buffett buys certain companies. Apply those principles to your own investing. Here's your action plan. Go to WhaleWisdom.com today. Look up Berkshire Hathaway's latest 13F. See what Buffett is buying? Pick one stock from his portfolio. Research why Buffett bought it. What's the moat? Is the price reasonable? That's how you learn. If this video helped you, please hit that like button. Subscribe to Money Mint for more investing tips. I'm Mr. Mint, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, your future self will thank you for learning to invest like the best. Start today.